You feel that this is that extension restriction I'm talking about here, okay? We definitely need to clear this mid back out. A couple things, okay? I want you to squeeze your elbows towards your face. Hold that tension, please. Chin up just a touch. Hold that tension in your elbows. Let's go on 3, 1, 2. Okay, good. Try to keep your chin tucked. We're gonna go all the way to the back here. All the way back.
Oh my gosh. That was awesome.
Okay, that sounded good. Let's try one more. Same kind of thing. A little higher up. Yeah, there it goes. Wow, cool. Yeah, so let this relax here. Yeah. Kind of let this go, just like that, okay? Good. Yes, ma'am, beautiful. Miss Rebecca, let's take a breath in and then hold the breath, hold that. Exhale, relax. Let me try one more. Coming back. Coming back. It's all good. Let's get you on your side, face towards me like you're on the couch. Just here. Like right there, okay? So we're gonna kind of roll and then down, okay? There it is, good. Let's get you on your back, face up. You feel still the restriction down low, like that guy right there, right? What we want to do here is we want to let this, so it's going to like fall and drop, okay? So just kind of like try to let all that go from, okay? Good, yeah. So let that just fall. Same kind of thing here, Rebecca. So we're just going to kind of let it fall and pivot right there, okay? Cool? Yeah, one more coming. There it is. This feels so much better already, doesn't it? Yes. I want to see if we can get a little stretch like this, okay? Bring that chin down just a tiny bit. Kind of let this go. For me, we're going to go like this. Okay, here.
My goodness.
Yeah, how's that?
Wow.
Better?
Yes.
Cool. How's that low back, mid back, all that feeling too?
That's good.
Solid,
That's
yeah, yes, yes ma'am.
Oh my
Great.
goodness.